Here at Biggs Harley Davidson, we have a 2019 Softail Street Bob in color black. The 107 cubic inch engine and a 6-speed transmission. Previous owner installed a Vance & Hines exhaust and air cleaner. Upgraded grips. They relocated the license plate so it looks really clean. The rear fender. This bike has only 680 miles. Let me get there eventually. There it is, 680 miles. It hasn't even been broken in yet. Under 1,000 miles and available for test ride 7 days a week here at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos.